everyone, we're at Bobablastic and we're gonna be getting the orange chicken and some boba tea.
All right, let's go.
Yo, what's up everybody? Street food is a global phenomenon. Anywhere you can find civilization, you're likely gonna run into street food. Bobablastic wouldn't be my first place to go for food in general, but for sweet treats, some fun junk food, and definitely for some boba tea, it is the place that our family likes to go. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
How's it going? All right, you want to order?
Can I get chicken rice bowl and blended watermelon with topping strawberry.
Give me that bass rock, bass rock.
Let's do blended raspberry with poppin' strawberry.
Give me that bass rock, bass rock.
I be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it.
Can you open it?
Just a little tough. Got it.
Orange chicken.
Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I said fire to the roof, boy. I might as well do it just a little bigger than.
All right, buddy, how you gonna rate it? 1 out of 5.
Hi.
So in simple terms, Bobablastic has good food and will definitely keep the kids happy. In addition, their boba tea is amazing, and us as a family love the topping poppin' strawberries. Make sure you guys check them out.